Cabbage Soup Diet. Lose 10 pounds in 7 days. Cabbage is a truly unique vegetable, especially for those who are trying to lose weight. It has plenty of health benefits and can significantly contribute to the weight loss process. Here is a super effective cabbage soup diet that will help you lose 10 pounds just in 7 days. Many fitness experts do not recommend following quick diets, but personally, I really like them as they give a quick result. Yes, it doesn't give a long-term effect. Once you start eating sweets and carbs, you will get the weight back right away. However, if you can't wait and need to lose your weight right away, it will help you out. Usually, I use this diet while preparing for special events or swimsuit season, and I assure you, it really works. But be sure to consult your doctor before cutting your calories like this. As you understand, the diet mainly consists of eating cabbage soup. However, certain foods can be included as well. You should follow a specific eating pattern during a week. You can eat cabbage soup whenever you want. There is no limit. The best thing about this diet is that you don't have to starve yourself. And make sure to drink at least 8 glasses of pure water per day, as it will directly influence your weight loss result. How to prepare a cabbage soup. Most cabbage soup recipes include boiled vegetables only. However, I prefer to add chicken broth or vegetable broth with seasoned canned tomatoes. And it has never affected my weight loss results. Just try to use the low-sodium versions if possible. You can add salt, pepper, olive oil, spices, and a bit of butter on potato day. Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. Your eating pattern for the next 7 days. You can eat apples in the morning, have a large fruit salad and cabbage soup for lunch, and cabbage soup and a melon salad for dinner. Snack on fruit throughout the day. You can eat sugar-free dried fruits and drink fruit smoothies. Eat a variety of veggies except for corn or other starchy vegetables. You should start the day with a baked sweet potato. Cut potatoes into cubes and sprinkle with olive oil and cinnamon. Roast it in the oven. You can also add some bell peppers and onions. Eat a cabbage soup and a vegetable salad for lunch. You can add salt, pepper, and olive oil. As for dinner, usually, I prepare rice cauliflower with fried zucchini, carrots, and bell peppers with light soy sauce. Bake spinach chips for a snack. Day 3. This is a fruit and veggies day, but make sure to avoid eating bananas, corn, and other starchy vegetables. Repeat the meal of day 1 and 2. However, avoid eating potatoes. Day 4. Today, you can enjoy eating bananas and milk/yogurt. This day will be the hardest one, as you can have bananas, yogurt, and cabbage soup, that's all. In order to stay sane, do banana smoothie or banana ice cream. Freeze banana slices and blend them. You can also eat some dried banana chips. Day 5. This day will be a better one. You can eat up to 8 tomatoes and protein like fish, turkey, and chicken. And, of course, don't forget about the cabbage soup. Day 6. You can eat a variety of veggies and protein. Make a turkey sausage with roasted veggies for your breakfast and a fried chicken with veggies for lunch. As for dinner, I eat spaghetti squash with tomato sauce and ground turkey. As an alternative, you can have cabbage soup for dinner if you are still not over it. Day 7. And finally, the last day. You can eat fruits, vegetables, and drink juice. You can make a fruit and veggie smoothie. The best combination will be spinach, apples, oranges, grapes, and water. Do a large salad, cabbage soup, and watermelon slushy for your lunch. As for dinner, you can do a rice cauliflower stir-fry with roasted veggies. Snack on baked apples and melon. Day 8. Weight yourself. The results should be amazing. Usually, people who stick to this diet lose up to 5–10 pounds. As you see, this cabbage soup diet is good for cleanses, quick water weight loss, and pre-diet boost. However, it is a low-calorie nutrition plan. Do not follow it longer than 7 days.